Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Wish Infinite. In this video, we are going to talk about Browser Navigate Back tool of Playwright MCP Server. So what is Browser Navigate Back tool in Playwright MCP Server? The Browser Navigate Back tool in Playwright MCP Server simulates the browser back button to move to the previously visited page. Now let's first see the scenario which we would be checking as part of this particular video to use this Browser Navigate Back tool. So here for that, I will go to my website, which is wishinfinite.com. And here what we would be doing, we will be going to this playground section, and after that we will be just clicking onto this back button, and here we can validate that this particular page is getting opened, or this URL is wishinfinite.com, right? If you want to perform any action after performing this back button, that also you can do, right? Now let's first see that how we can do that with the help of just Playwright, and then we would be seeing that how we can simulate this back button operation into Playwright MCP Server. So first let's see that how to do that into this Playwright. For that, let me go to this VS Code, and here what we need to do, we should have this proper Playwright setup. Then we need to create the test script file. After that, we need to import the test from the Playwright test, right? And then we need to create this test block with the title and anonymous function. And here what we are doing, we are going to this wishinfinite.com, and then we are clicking onto this playground section, which is this one. And after that, I've just given this hard-coded wait so that we would be able to see that back button action is happening, right? You need not to give that, right? Just to demo it, I'm giving some wait so that you would be able to see that we are going on to this particular playground section, and then we are navigating back. If I will not give this wait, so the execution would be so fast that you would not be able to see that it is going on to this playground section and then it is hitting the back button, right? So that's why I've just given this wait. And after that, we are going to use this page.goback method, which will take us to the previous page. And here we are just having one assertion that it should have the URL, which is wishinfinite.com, and not the playground one. I've just given this for the demo. You can select any other assertion, like you can validate that you are onto this page by validating this particular title, or by validating this watch tutorials button, right? Or any other element you can validate onto this particular page. Now let me quickly run the script. So now here it is going onto the wishinfinite.com, then it went onto this playground section. Now it should click onto the back button, and see, automatically we are here onto this wishinfinite.com with the help of our Playwright test script. Now let's do the same with the help of Playwright MCP Server. Let me close this browser. Let's see our prompt. So here what you need to give. So this is the prompt which you'll have to provide into your GitHub Copilot or any other AI assistant which you are using with the help of Playwright MCP Server. And here you just need to give this prompt, go to a specific website and then navigate to the playground section. For your site, anywhere you want to navigate, right? You can give that. And then again go back to the home page. So here I'm not mentioning that click onto the back button, but I'm just giving it into the plain language that go back to the home page. So our AI assistant should automatically be able to understand that we want to go back and we want to click onto the back button. So that scenario we want to do, right? You can be more specific that click onto the back button to go to the previous page. That will also work, right? We just need to focus that we want to go back to the previous page, right? You can use your wording, whatever you want to give, right? It should be clear. Now let me copy this particular prompt. Let's go to VS Code. And here let's provide the prompt. And here we need not to provide any context. If you want to close this script, that you can close. Don't forget to select agent from this first drop down, and you can select any model of your choice. And here let me click on this configure tool so that we would be able to see that about which tool we are talking about. So click here, and here expand this Playwright section. And here if you will scroll down, you would be able to see this browser navigate back tool to go back to the previous page. That's it, right? Now let's click onto this send. So here it is navigating to this wishinfinite.com. Then it went on to this playground section. It is not asking me for the permission to click somewhere, right? Because I've already provided the permission as always allow for the basic operations, right? If you have not provided any permission, it will ask you for the permission for each and every tool, right? Let's say if you want to click onto the specific element, it will ask you for the permission. If you want to fill some form, it will ask you for the permission, right? So be aware about that. If you have watched my whole automation using AI and MCP servers playlist, you must be aware about that. And see here it is asking us for the permission to go back, where it is running go back tool, which is browser navigate back tool, right? Here you can allow and review, or you can select any other option. I'm clicking onto this always allow. After that, it is just asking us to approve that tool result. So whatever this browser navigate back tool has done, it is just asking us to approve that tool result. So here just click onto the allow, or you can select any other appropriate option. I'm clicking onto this always allow without review, as I know that this is my site and it is safe to click anywhere, right? And now it has just provided the summary that I have successfully navigated to this wishinfinite.com clicked onto the playground link to go to the playground section, and then use the browser back function to return to the home page. The page is now back at wishinfinite.com. So this is kind of a session, right? And here, let me click here and see, you would be able to see the details that internally it has used this await page.goback method, right? The same method which we were using into our Playwright test script. Here you can see the more details related to our go back operation, right? So like this, you can try this operation into your website, right? You can go to any other page. You can try to perform any other action also. You can go back and onto the previous page also. You can try to perform any other action. For now, I've just focused onto this browser navigate back tool. So that's why I've not created more complex scenario so that it would be easy for you to understand. And now I will conclude this video here. But before we wrap up, let me give you a quick recap. So here we saw that browser navigate back tool in Playwright MCP Server simulate the browser back button to move to the previously visited page. So here we went on to this particular wishinfinite.com. Then here we went on to any other section. Let's say you can go here also, right? And then if we will press the back button, so it navigated back to the previous page, because before this contact, I opened this playground page. So that's why it came back onto this playground page. Here again, if you will click back, it will take us back to the first page, right? So like this, you can try it with your website. Now here we saw that into the playground, we just need to use this page.goback. But for that, you should have proper Playwright setup. You should have your Playwright script. And here we need to use this page.goback method, which will take us to the previous page. And then we saw that we can do the same thing into the Playwright MCP server. For that, we just need to provide the basic prompt that go to the wishinfinite.com and then navigate to the playground section and then again go back to the home page. Here you can mention the prompt like this, that click onto the back button to go to the previous page. In some cases, this AI can be unpredictable, right? Let's say if you are using the same prompt, if it is not working, try to tweak the prompt or provide the more information so that it would be easy for the AI assistant to understand that and to perform the specific action with the help of Playwright MCP server. And then we provided this prompt into this GitHub Copilot, where we have given the prompt and it has run this go back tool, which is browser navigate back tool. Here you can click onto this configure tool to see that this browser navigate back tool is available inside the Playwright MCP server, right? Here you need not to do anything. Just for your information, I am showing this option or this Playwright MCP server tool to you, right? Which is browser navigate back. And here after that, we are able to see the summary. And that's it. You can try it for your site to perform this navigate back operation. And that's it from my end. You can click onto this first card to go to the next video. You can click onto this second card to access this whole automation using AI and MCP servers playlist, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you have any comments, questions or doubts, you can let me know into the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.